welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So in today's video, oh, and by the way, if you're liking this makeup look, is what I filmed with our two Cosmetips products, which that video will already be up, so I'll link that down below so you can watch that after this video. But today we're going to be unboxing my very first Cosmetips box. This is Cosmetips with Katie Jane Hughes, who is a lovely makeup artist. I say that like I know her. I don't know her. Obviously her work is very lovely. I actually first saw her when she done a video with Jamie Genevieve, and her makeup just looks always so nice and glowy and just beautiful and just really simple, minimal looks, but they just look so effective. But yeah, and she also has done a collection with Spectrum Collections makeup brushes as well, like a makeup brush set, and apparently they're really good makeup brushes. But yes, when I saw the products that were in this edit, I had to buy it because the savings was unreal. I think this is the biggest amount of savings that they've done yet. So yeah, so this retails for £549. You actually buy the box, well, the bag, the edit, for £115, which is absolutely amazing. So let's unbox it. How beautiful is this little bag as well? Like a really nice little wash bag, or I don't know, makeup bag, or whatever you want to put in it. And this bag is 100% cotton, compostable, printed using non-toxic, REACH compliant inks, and you can reuse me 5,000 times, produced in collaboration with Bags of Ethics. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll pop along the screen the actual price of each item individually, but there's so many big names in here, like it's actually mad how they even do these edits. But first of all, you get this little booklet, so that's Katie on the front there. She looks like Chriselle. I think that's Katie. She looks like Chriselle from Sun & Sunset there. So I'm so excited to bring you all this incredible assortment of gorgeous products from my favourite brands. I've carefully curated this edit to ensure there are many universally loved products. The value is unbelievable. I hope you love the curation and enjoy using this edit on yourself or your clients. And then it just got a bit about each of the products. So first things first, we've got the Queen of the Hungry Mist. So this is the Amoravixer, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Budapest spray. This is the Queen of Hungry Mist, and this is actually quite expensive, but it comes in a very bougie bottle. So this is frosted glass. It's very heavy. It's 100ml of product in here, and this is to refresh the skin and lift the spirits with the award-winning Queen of Hungry Mist. A quick spritz of this gentle neroli and rose-scented facial mist refreshes and balances the skin, proven instant long-lasting hydration. Let's see what the mist is like. Ooh. It smells really nice as well. Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, that's a really nice, fine, luxurious mist. And the next is from Ren Skincare. So this is the Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. So it's a rich jelly facial cleanser that transforms from jelly to oil to milk. So I might actually use this in a minute to take this makeup off. And yeah, I love the fact that everything is full size as well. So this is a 100ml bottle. And then this product I was actually really excited about. So this is Danessa Myricks Beauty Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette in Duet Flirty. So this did have Danessa Myricks on my brands that I wanted to try in 2022, but this would be a really good staple for like your kit if you were to do clients. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. So 4 really beautiful shades in there that can go on your lips or on your cheeks. Oh, so it's got the shades Tease, XOXO, Sweet Cheeks, and Coquette. It's like a little goodie bag, like a little raffle. So this actually would cost more than what the whole edit is. This is the Votary, I think it's pronounced, Intense Night Oil with rosehip and retinoid. So this, apparently you can watch fine lines fade away with this award-winning intense night oil with a renewing blend of hydrating rosehip, vermin acmelia extract, and gentle retinoid. So apparently you wake up with fresher, brighter skin. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this in just a moment. And this is a 50ml bottle as well. I wonder what it smells like. No, it just smells like skincare. And then we've got a lip gloss from Glossier. So this is just a clear lip gloss. Apparently it's very comfortable, long wearing with a glassy finish. I've never actually tried anything from Glossier, so apparently this has got vitamin E and jojoba oil in, which apparently is actually really nice for your lips. And you can't beat a clear gloss, can you? I wear clear glosses all the time. And then we've got a glitter pigment from Bodyography. So this is in the shade Celestial. I've never actually had this brand before. It's giving me like Hourglass vibes or like Charlotte Tilbury vibes. So it's just a very beautiful goldy glitter pigment that you can just swipe onto your eyes and then you'll be done. Next we have the Shiseido, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. This is the Intensive Wrinkle Spot Treatment. So this targets your deepest wrinkles and dark spots with the powerful 2-in-1 treatment, which visibly reduces wrinkles, smile lines and dark spots at their root using breakthrough Renora technology, which I am after a good one like this, especially for like under here. I am so wrinkly now. Okay, I know it's my 30th birthday next year, but I am so wrinkly. And then we've got the Amica Intense Bond Repair Mask. So this is a rich ultra moisturising hair mask that is clinically proven after one use to significantly reduce breakage and prevent future damage. So I might actually use this when I dye my hair this weekend. And then we've got a product from Tower 28, which again is another brand I do want to try since it came into Cult Beauty. But this is a Super Dew Highlighter Balm, which doesn't have a shade, it's just clear, but just to give you that glossy finish. And that's what it looks like. Really nice packaging. Oh, it literally just looks wet. So I wonder if it would lift my makeup. Yeah, that's just lifted my makeup. I'll have to figure out what's the best way to apply this, because that's just lifted my makeup a little bit. And then we've got this Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, which I've been dying to try. Apparently this is a really good toner and it's helped clear up people's skin as well. Apparently it's got a lot of different benefits, formulated with lactic acid and salicin. A cult status tonic brings energy back to dull or tired looking skin, which is definitely what I have. So yeah, and it's such a good size bottle as well, 250ml. And then last but not least, a cult favourite, this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. So this smooths, firms and replenishes, a really good night cream. And yeah, I'm gonna use this tonight again after the oil, after everything else, so hopefully my skin actually gets better, because that's the whole reason why I got this edit, because the skincare products actually look really good, and for once I was looking at the skincare rather than the makeup. So I'm so excited to try all of this. The value that you save is incredible, and I don't know why I didn't jump onto Cosmetips sooner. But yeah, really chuffed with this, and it's such amazing brands. I just can't get over how much money you save. But yeah, I need to go take off all this makeup now so I can go and use all this skincare, because this is all calling my name, and I'm so excited to finally have luxurious skincare to help the skin get better. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well, and let me know if you've tried any of these products. If so, what are your thoughts on them, as I'd love to know. And have you tried Cosmetics before? If so, what boxes have you bought? But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!